Funny where you find peace. Sometimes it's nowhere you'd expect. Funny where you find peace. Sometimes it's nowhere you'd expect. Yeah. Yeah. Cross the county line with nothing but a cold to tank. A dashboard full of warning lights and a head full of things I can't change. Radio playing low, wind coming through the door. Been carrying no burdens I don't wanna carry anymore. Life ain't been perfect, Lord knows I've made mistakes. Had dreams fall apart like old rusted out brakes. But the road kept stretching and the sun kept rising, even when I couldn't see what was waiting behind it. Maybe hope ain't far away. Maybe it's just another day. Yeah. Found a little salvation past the county line. Not in a church pew, just some peace of mind. Radio humming, saxophone crying low. Funny how healing finds you when you got nowhere to go. County line salvation, like a light through the rain. Didn't solve all my problems, but it eased some of the pain. Sitting outside a feast store door, watching traffic roll by like it seen it all before. He nodded as I passed like he somehow understood how a man can lose his way trying to do what's good. Maybe we're all travelers trying to find a place, learning how to carry scars without carrying shame. Maybe that's the secret, maybe that's the prize, learning how to keep going when the road gets rough at night. Oh, the sun's breaking through the clouds, and it feels different now. Found a little salvation past the county line. Not in a church pew, just some peace of mind. Oh, radio humming, saxophone crying low. Funny how healing finds you when you got nowhere to go. Maybe peace isn't something you find. Maybe it's something you finally stop running from. Find you when you finally enjoy the ride.